Oculus Air link not working on Windows. 1. Terminate Oculus software processes with Task Manager. 2. Adjust your device's Wi-Fi channel by clearing other devices in the 5 GHz band and setting it only for your headset. 3. Update device drivers of your PC, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Close potentially conflicting programs via Windows Clean Boot. 5. Run Oculus debug tools at /program files /Oculus support /Oculus diagnostics. Nodes. 1. Set default to encode dynamic bitrate encode. 2. Set 0 to encode bitrate, MBPs. 6. Factory reset your quest.